All right, week 4 of beginning algebra. So you can see that we are going to finish up chapter 9 this week. 9-4 today, 9-5 on Tuesday, 9-6 on Wednesday, and then 9-7 on Thursday. So a week from Thursday is when we have our first proctor test. So if you have not gotten a proctor, or you should be able to come to campus, but if you're not in the area and you cannot come to campus, you need to be finding a proctor and having them email me at joshua.baker4@tulsacc.edu. So keep these things in mind. We're going to finish chapter 9. That is what your test is going to cover. So you've got your chapter 8 quiz and your chapter 9 quiz, and then this practice test 1 is also graded as a quiz. Remember, the things that are in blue are graded as quizzes, and the red is what counts as a test. So keep all of this in mind as we go through the week. The other thing I wanted to show you is in MyLabs Plus. Remember that this far column over here on the left is when things are due. So if you look, everything that we have that is still open is going to be due on the 19th, which is what? That's next Monday, the day that you take your quiz. All right? And so when you get in there, know the due dates. It is your responsibility to know those and keep track of things. So this is our calendar again. So if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to email. We are coming up on a test, so make sure that you are studying and understanding all of the content that is in these sections, because you will need to know all that for the Proctor Test 1. So a note on the test and the practice test, and I'll mention this again next week. This practice test and this Proctor test, they are parallel, which means that if there are 30 problems on the practice test, then there are going to be 30 problems on the Proctor test, and they're going to be the same style questions. I'm not the type of professor or instructor or teacher that tries to pull tricks on you. So what you see on the practice test is what you're going to see on the Proctor test. All right, you guys have a good week. Let me know if you need anything.